Hi, I'm Steve. I'm the inventor of the Quickie Vault. I'm going to give you a little tour here by means of a video on how easy it is to install the Quickie Vault. Quickie Vault can house different water system devices, water meters, pumps, and pressure tanks, among other devices like filters. Devices like pressure tank should be installed at the point of use, not 300 feet over a hill where the well might be. Using the Quickie Vault allows placement of pressure tanks and other water system components where they are needed. The Quickie Vault allows for easy installation and repair of components. You never get in the Quickie Vault. The component lifts out. Here we are installing the Quickie Vault. We've had the excavator dig our ditch, and we're having him dig a little wide spot where we're going to install the Quickie Vault. We generally make it a couple feet wider than the ditch. Now Scott's going to clean and level the spot for the Quickie Vault. If you get the rocks out of the way and level it, set it in place, it makes it a lot easier to install the Quickie Vault. The Quickie Vault is lightweight and easy to deliver, easy to install. Notice Scott's unloading it by himself. He can install this by himself. You can watch this and see how easy and how quick the installation of this Quickie Vault is. Here he's looking for the right spot to slide it down. I found it. Notice he just lifts back and slides it into place. The Quickie Vault is made of polyethylene. It's a very durable, lightweight product. We used remanufactured, I guess you call it recycled polyethylene. It comes from pipe and materials that come from plants, never been used, just their machinery or whatever had a product that was not up to standard, so they regrind it and we use it again. You can use many different plumbing types. You can use PVC, poly pipe, copper, galvanized, PEX, anything that is suitable for water under pressure, potable water under pressure, and has adapters to go to pipe. Here for this demonstration we chose PVC. Scott's being careful not to split the fitting. You can glue it, plug it in. It is quick and easy to install the Quickie Vault. After the pipe is glued, he will deal with the electrical. That's easy too. One way to enter the Quickie Vault with electrical is with a box adapter. Here you'll drill a hole through the polyethylene. He's showing the box adapter how that functions. In this instance, it's going to install a Pumphouse SQE. So all that's needed is a low voltage wire into the transducer at the pressure tank. So he'll pull a wire through it from the control box and backfill it. Now Scott has already bedded in the pipe to the fitting so you don't have voids under the pipe. He's now bedding around the vault to keep it stable. He said something about he thinks he'll use the backhoe. When you use the backhoe, be a little careful that you don't roll big boulders against it, because it will move around a little bit until it's get a couple feet of backfill. You like set the Quickie Vault top about inch, inch and a half above ground level. Then when you get the lawn, sod, whatever, growing around it, it's about even with the surface. Scott's going to install a pressure tank for that SQE system now. Yeah, it works great for the Franklin products and Gould products and most all the variable speed pumping systems. He sets it down into the quick connect fixture, unscrews the lifting pipe, and installs the lid. The lid is fiberglass. It's reinforced. It's about an inch thick. It has the resin is colored itself, so the color doesn't wear off. It's a tough and durable lid for this unit. I wouldn't recommend driving a vehicle over it, but you can certainly walk on it. Well, Scott says he's done. It's Miller time.